There we go. And you might laugh at me, but I do not have a ladder in here, so we're gonna use a bale. Okay. So I'm just gonna take these 3 out on each side, and I need to start by removing these 3 on each side, and then of course these here, you see, all need to come out as well. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Next. So now these.
Got it loose enough there, so now I'm just using my hand. I'm actually really enjoying this.
Kind of like really far away.
It's a bit of a long process, but we'll get there. Close, anyway.
It's time to pop the little clips on the front that holds the grill on. Tricky. So now we have to take all these little screw things out. This is what it is. You literally just pull it like that?
Mm-hmm. You want me to try?
Yeah.
There's these 2 little ears right here, but you can't squeeze them together because there's plastic in between them. So I think you just gotta yank them out really hard.
Oh my goodness.
We are prying these out real slow and gently back and forth because we're afraid if we grab them with the pliers and yank, we're gonna break them.
Because we need these. Here we go. Now I'm going to reinstall them. Let's see here. Actually start over here. Oops, I was putting that one in backwards, so here we go. Next one. They're going in a lot easier than they were coming out, huh? I'm gonna line up the clips here. Right here. Or try to anyway. Let's see, maybe if I hold it like that, watch this first one. Or the one right in front of me. Oh, my hair. We're not quite there at all, because there's a big gap over here. Okay, we're gonna try again.
It just didn't work too well for me.
Screws are started. Is that right?
Well, the outside two are clipped and the middle ones are not yet.
Oh, really?
Well, that one went.
So I got these all started, and now I'm just snugging them up. Just putting the last 3 screws in on each side. Moment I've been waiting for. Da, 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 da.
One down, 3 to go.
There, and then we're going to put the jack stand underneath the springs.
Jacking up the truck to take all the rims off because I'm getting them powder coated black. Am I getting anywhere?
Yep, you're good.
My turn next. I don't think I have enough muscle for this, but I'm sure gonna try.
That is crazy. I don't know. Oh, the way it looks. It's making me nervous.
That's an understatement.
Why?
Because you keep that this whole time.
That's a valid point. Huh?
Gotta leave this one down a little bit. See how it's spinning?
Oh. Now it's not spinning.
Right. Just gonna go down just that much.
Got it. Look at that.
Okay, you're good. Go to the next. Okay. You want to jack it up?
Then I can take these out. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, this one's gonna come easier. I can tell. Ha! There we go. Okay, that's in the way.
Yep, we're gonna put the jack stand on first.
I broke 1 out of the 24 lug nuts loose.
Well, folks, here is the before. Here is the after. Truck's not complete yet, but dang close. Grill's on. Main thing we're looking at here is the tires. My rims, powder coated rims. The fender flares, if you noticed, are also removed. I'm getting those painted black exactly to match the color black of my truck. Paint guy did an excellent job. It looks so much better with them being the same color as my truck. Oh, I love it. Getting them back put on. Here it is, everybody. It's complete. Woohoo! Time to go for a ride in my new truck. I did not film putting any of the badges on or removing the EcoBoost sticker badges on the bottom, but we did that. Everything on the truck is removed. The badges, we put black badges on, so they are still there, but they just kind of blend in my eye perfectly. The way I want it anyways. My desired emblem instead of the Ford, the flag. If it ain't a tractor or the combine, these two are my rides right here, y'all. Thanks for watching, everybody.